best time of the year. It is the after Christmas clearance sales. Guys, if you are not shopping the after Christmas clearance sales, you are missing out on some really good bargains. Let me show you what Mom got for me the day after Christmas. But guys, if you wait just a few days longer, on January 2nd, it goes down to 75% and you get even better deals. Yes, you might think that they are totally sold out, and some stores might be, but it is worth a trip to the store to check to see what kind of stinking good deals you can get. Let me show you what I've got so far. Secret Santa gift right here, $12.97. It was 50% off, so I got it for around $7.50. Now, next year, I don't have to pay full price for the Secret Santa gift. And yes, this will last. Just keep it in a cool, dark place until next Christmas. Next, I absolutely love summer sausage. Yes, I do. Mom found this. They were $2.50 instead of $5 each, so I got several packages for me. I'm going to throw these in the freezer because meat, you do want to go by the expiration date on meats. This one is expiring the end of March. I'll probably eat all these before the end of March. I'll go through one a week or so. But if it's getting close to the end of March, I will throw these in the freezer and they'll still be fine. Brownie mixes. All right, this is a really good deal. Regular brownie mix is 6 cents an ounce. This is 4 cents an ounce. I paid $1 for the whole kit. I don't know, does this have a, yep, nope. What makes it Christmas tree? I don't know what makes it Christmas tree.
There's the little like, little green frosting and stuff.
Maybe it's just the way you frost them, I guess. I guess it's just the way you cut them and frost them that makes them into the Christmas tree. Oh yeah, it says cut them into a pie shape. So you put it in a pie pan and then you cut them in the little pie shapes, and that's what makes the Christmas trees.
These are really good just by themselves, like even without the frosting or anything.
You love them, huh?
Yeah.
So instead of paying 6 cents an ounce, I'm paying 4 cents an ounce, or if I paid for the regular brownies, it would be 7 to 9 cents an ounce. So for $1 for 22 ounces, this is actually a really stinking good deal. Guys, comment and let me know. Do you want me to test the different brownie mixes, or more so should I have Jack test the different brownie mixes?
I think this is a great idea.
You think it's a great idea? And see which one actually tastes better. I'm kind of curious to see if there is a difference in the price of brownie mixes, to see if they do, or versus homemade from our Dining on a Dime cookbook. That's a pretty darn tootin' good recipe also. So maybe we should do a test. Guys, comment and let me know if you want me to do that. All right, next, tortilla chips. My boys love tortilla chips. They do not go on sale below $2 a bag here, and these were 97 cents. So I got several bags. These are going to last us a while. The expiration date, where's the expiration date? Here it is. The end of February for these. These will be gone by the end of February. The boys usually go through about a bag a week, or give or take. So cheap, easy dinner, guys. Make nachos out of these for dinner once a week, and you've got dinner for less than $5 for a family of 6. This is a really good deal. Next, candy canes. Now, you might be saying, Tara, why do you have all these weird flavors of candy canes? Well, we happen to have a cotton candy maker, which everyone loves. So as we are having our get-togethers during the summer with our parties, I'm going to be pulling out the cotton candy maker, crushing up these flavored candy canes, and this is going to be the flavoring for our cotton candy. These were 50 cents a box, approximately. I can't remember. I think they were about 50 cents a box. So that is going to save me a ton on candy for the cotton candy maker. Next, I got Hershey's Kisses right here. Now, I only have 2 bags. Mom accidentally left the rest of the bags in her car, but I actually got 10 bags of these, and these are going to be gifts for next year. They were $1.25 a bag. This is a really good deal. All right, before my last deal, let me tell you guys, it is New Year's and it is time to get organized. If you need to get organized, please check out our undated daily planner. It has 365 days. It might have 366. I can't remember for sure. And 400 pages to easily help you get organized. It has daily chores, monthly chores, and yearly chores so that you only spend about 15 to 20 minutes a day doing all of your housework. It really doesn't take that long. So check out our daily planners. They are 10% off right now in the description below. And the next thing you need to look for after Christmas deals is deodorants, toothpaste, toothbrushes, body washes, soap, hand soap. Guys, January 2nd is the best day to go buy these things. Last year I got Axe for $2.50 for a deodorant and a body spray, and inside they had a free coupon for another free deodorant. So I got $750 worth of deodorant for $62. Yes. I mean, that, I don't know what percentage that is. That's like 80% or something, 90% off. I don't know. But it's like 80%. Yeah, 90% off. That's 90% off. That is a really good deal on deodorant. Now, I do give it away, and I have 4 boys in my, well, now 5 boys in my family. So we have plenty of people who are going to be able to use the deodorant. But look for these deals. Hand soap. This hand soap was 62 cents right now at 50% off. But last year, I got some hand soap after Halloween, and it was 10 cents a bottle, 90% off after Halloween. I bought all they had. We've been going through it, and it's been a year and a few months, and we're almost through all of the hand soap we got. But I saved 90% on my hand soap. Guys, look for these deals. They can be found all the time. You just have to keep an eye out, and you have to be flexible. It's okay if our hand soap smells like sugar cookie in April. I'm really okay with that. That's not a big deal. Guys, please go watch this video next. Happy New Year. Visit us at livingonadime.com.